more thing I have to tell here. So I told about adjacent vertices, and now about diagonal. So adjacent vertices means to BC line segment, B and C are endpoints. So BC are called adjacent vertices, I told. So adjacent vertex to B is C, and A also. Look, for AB line segment, A and B are both are adjacent vertices. That means endpoints. So to B, A also adjacent vertex. So other than C and A, what left here? D. Join BD. One line segment will obtain. So this line segment is called diagonal. And same like that, take C. Adjacent vertices to C are B and D. Other than this, one more vertex left. A. Join A and C. One more line segment will obtain. So it is called one more diagonal. And now we'll see some exercise problems. So in exercise 11.4 of this chapter, some problems are given. One diagram is given there. Diagram, and some questions asked there. It is marked as A, B, C, D. So clearly it is a quadrilateral. So question asked, the second question in 11.4, look at the given polygon. So it is polygon only, and answer the following questions. The first question is, how many sides are there in this polygon? So how many sides? 4 sides. So AB, BC, CD, DA. So it has 4 sides. Those are AB, BC, CD and DA. And the second question asked here, name all its vertices. Vertices. What are the vertices here? A, B, C and D. And next, third question asked here, name the sides adjacent to AB and DC. Adjacent to AB, adjacent to DC. So take AB. So sides we have to write. Adjacent sides to AB, BC one side and AD one more side. So adjacent to AB, BC and AD. And one more, adjacent to DC. Adjacent to DC. Where is DC? Here it is. So one is DA, another one CB or BC. DA, another one is CB or BC, whatsoever. And next, one more, fourth question also asked, which vertices are adjacent to D? Which vertices are adjacent to D? So D is one vertex. Which vertices are adjacent to D? So clearly one is C, another one is A. So A and C are the adjacent vertices to D. So we'll see one more problem. See a third problem of exercise 11.4. One pentagon given and diagonals drawn here. A, B, C, D is a pentagon and AC is one diagonal. AD also one diagonal here. AD, and next BE, EC also one more diagonal. Diagonal means a line segment which joins other than adjacent vertices. And next BD. So these are the diagonals of this pentagon. Now questions asked here. The first question is, so the problem is, in the following figure, name the diagonals originating from the vertex A, from the vertex B, from the vertex E. So this is the question. We have to write first from A. What are the diagonals originated from A? Where is A? Here. From here, what are the diagonals? AC, AD. Next, from B. Where is B? Here. From B, what are the diagonals? So BE, BD. Next, from C, what are the from E, what are the diagonals? E here. So EB, EC. So these are the basic things touched in this exercise, and one more problem we'll see in this exercise. See, in this exercise 11.4, fourth problem, one figure given, it is pentagon again. Name of this pentagon is A, B, C, D, E. And two questions are asked here. First, listen the problem. Look at the figure given below. So see this figure. And two questions are, all pairs of adjacent sides. Write all pairs of adjacent sides. And the second question is, write all pairs of adjacent vertices. So first question, write all pairs of adjacent sides. So take AB. AB adjacent side is BC. And one more, AB. Its adjacent side is AE also. Pairs we have to write. That means each and every side have two adjacent sides. Next, BC. Its adjacent sides are CD. And BC, AB already written. Next, CD. CD adjacent side is BC, that is already written. Now CD has one more adjacent side, that is DE. So CD and DE. Next, DE. Its adjacent side is CE, CD, that is already written, and its one more adjacent side is AE. So DE and AE. Next, AE adjacent side is AB. AE adjacent side is AB, and one more is ED, that is already written. And next for AB we started from there only, so we wrote all the pairs of adjacent sides in the given figure. And next, adjacent vertices. First take A. Its adjacent vertex is B and E also. So write one pair AB, one more pair AE. Next take B. B adjacent vertices are A and C. So AB already is there. Now B, C, one pair. Next C. C adjacent vertices are B and D. So BC already written, and now C, D. And the next, take D. D adjacent vertices are C and E. So CD already written, now remaining D, E. Next take E. E adjacent vertices are D and A. So E, D already written, now E, A. Next, A adjacent vertices are AE already written, AB already written. We started from there only. So these are the problems in the exercise, some problems in the exercise. Hope you understood. On this same topic, I will give worksheet. So go through the worksheet, solve that one, and solved worksheet send me before 4 p.m. And any doubts you may ask through WhatsApp. Have a good day.